Hello guys, today, as you can see from these ingredients, can you guess what we're making? Well, you can't really because you don't see the main ingredient, but we're making slime. Oh, here it is. Here's the main ingredient. So we're gonna make some slime. We found it on an app. It's called Do It Yourself Slimes or Dye Slimes. And you could choose whatever color you want, shaving cream, glue, and detergent. Tide. Let's get right into it. Whoop. This was a fail, guys. We're gonna try a different recipe because look at this. This was supposed to be slime, but it turned out a big blob. Let me try and touch it. Ooh, it feels weird. Put it up again. Ew.
Is it?
I gotta clean my hands.
Here, we got a wet paper towel.
Go like and subscribe for this fail. If you enjoyed this fail, like and subscribe. We're gonna try a different recipe. Hopefully that recipe works. I need to get some napkins. My hands are so messy. I was experimenting and I actually got decent slime out of it. It's like normal slime, but it's like really fluffy. It's not like any of the other slimes. You know the other slime I made on my channel? Well, this slime is like fluffier. It's like, oh, it feels good. It's not pokey or anything. Like the other one was pokey. It's just like a normal slime, but fluffy slime. So I'm sorry you guys couldn't see it, but you do the exact same thing, except first you add the glue, then you add the Tide and mix it together first. Then you add the shaving cream and then mix all of that together and then put in food coloring. We put it all in at once and it made this big mess. Yeah, exactly. So, I'm glad this actually worked. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.